Hello friends, welcome to Very Frequently Used Commands Series 2. Let's quickly continue looking at the commands in Rhinoceros. Please do not forget always we need to make it practical to use these commands. Let's jump in. The easiest way to run the trim command is to select all objects and mark the unwanted areas. Another command is the curve Boolean command. We define an area between the intersecting lines and delete the other parts. We can either create a hollow closed line or a surface inside this area. We talked about the tween curves command, but let me repeat it again to remind you that it draws similar curves by establishing similarity between two sections and how the sections in between should be. We call the same of this 2D command in the tween surface command. It gives possible surfaces between two surfaces. The blend curve command connects two lines that are spaced apart at any level in a transitive way. The version of the same command for surfaces is called blend surface. This command quickly connects surfaces to each other. The fillet surface command is the command which we want to transition between two separate or intersecting surfaces. The fillet surface command also can be used in closed polysurfaces. Mirror and symmetry are very similar commands. However, the major difference between them is transitivity, or in other words, surface continuity. For both commands, we need to specify the axes or direction which we take symmetry or mirror. If you remember the curve drawing methods, there were two types of curve drawing methods. The first one, which we can abbreviate as CP, is the method where we specify control points and create a curve accordingly. Here, the curve does not pass exactly through the points we click on. The second one is the interpolated curve drawing method. In this method, when we draw a curve, the curve passes exactly through the points we specify. The continue curve command continues to draw the selected curve using the checkpoint method. The continue intercurve command continues the curve using the second curve drawing method, the interpolate curve method. Extend is a command that can be used both on 2D objects and on surfaces which has been moved in the third dimension. It extends a curve or a surface without breaking the continuity of the curve or surface. The dupe edge command creates curves from the selected surface, mesh, or sub-E edges. In other words, it is used as a drawing auxiliary element by creating 2D data over 3D objects. We use edge command when we want to duplicate edges and border command when we want to duplicate surface boundary. X-ractosal curve command is the horizontal and vertical directional lines that form the surface and are found in all surface and 3D geometries. The Make 2D command is a command to create data that can be used for 2D technical drawing on your objects if your modeling is correct and flawless.